Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York coming to you from beautiful Atlantic City. I'm on the marina side right now, as if you couldn't tell with the boats behind me. I'm at the Golden Nugget, the deck bar, one of my favorite hangouts during the summertime here in Atlantic City. It's closed right now, it's during the week, but after Memorial Day it'll probably be open 7 days a week. They have great entertainment here. But the reason for the video today is lots of people ask me, hey, Jeff from New York, can you walk from the Borgata to Harrah's to the Golden Nugget or vice versa? And the answer is yes. There's actually a pathway called Sculptures Walk, which takes you to all three hotels. It's not a short walk. I'll take you along with me today. It's probably about 3 or 4 miles. But we'll take a walk. I'll videotape some of it and have you come along with me and let's check it out. How to get to, let's say today, for example, the Golden Nugget to the Borgata via Harrah's, via the Sculpture Walk. Come along with me. I parked here at the Golden Nugget, one of the only places in Atlantic City left where you can get some free parking. You don't even have to be a rewards member here. Free parking anytime, so if you're interested in visiting the deck, this is a great place to come because you get to park for free and have this wonderful view and some good food at the same time. I'm gonna head over towards the Brigantine Bridge. We're gonna go underneath the Brigantine Bridge and start heading towards Harrah's. I noticed as I pulled into the parking garage here at the Golden Nugget, it looks like they're doing some construction. Certainly sounds like they're doing some construction. And believe you me, this garage could use some construction. So we'll see what it looks like sometime in the future. I just looked at my watch. It's 2:15 in the afternoon, just to see how long this walk takes. Problem is, every time I do something like that, I forget to look at my watch when I'm done. So I wish you guys could remind me, but that's not possible. So hopefully I'll remember. So again, here we have the Golden Nugget behind me. That's the Brigantine Bridge, which we're going to go under. Of course, there's Harrah's. And then eventually we'll end up over by the Borgata and the MGM Tower. Now this pathway that I'm on right now from the Golden Nugget to Harrah's is not part of the Sculpture Walk. I believe the Sculpture Walk starts at Harrah's and goes to the Borgata, which we'll see once we get to Harrah's. But again, this is not part of the Sculpture Walk, but this pathway does lead you to the beginning of the Sculpture Walk, which is at Harrah's. Across the way is the beautiful little town of Brigantine, New Jersey. I did 1 or 2 videos on there. I plan on going back sometime this summer and doing another one. And this is the bridge, the Brigantine Bridge, to get you there. And here we are already at Harrah's Hotel and Casino. That wasn't even 10 minutes from the Golden Nugget to Harrah's on foot. Well, here we are pretty much at the beginning of Sculpture Walk, and as you can see, the sign says it's sponsored by the MGM Resorts, Borgata, Harrah's, as well as the Golden Nugget. And well, that makes a lot of sense since the walk joins all 3 properties. I guess after Memorial Day. I find it funny, actually more sad than funny actually, when you walk along these pathways such as this one, or on the boardwalk if there's not that many people, and you pass someone, usually nothing's said between those two people. I like to say hello, and I'm going to say 50% of the time the person that I'm passing will say hello back. But the other 50% say nothing. They just ignore you. That's kind of sad. As you guys know, I like to walk, and I do walk a lot. But if you're not into walking, of course, you could always take the Jitney. It's $2.50 for anywhere pretty much in Atlantic City. So if you wanted to get from the Golden Nugget to the Borgata, you just pay the $2.50. Or if you want to go from the Golden Nugget somewhere on the boardwalk, $2.50. You don't have to love to walk to do these things. I just happen to love to walk. I record them when the walk I think is somewhat interesting, and it's good exercise too. Of the Jitney, there's always one around when you want one. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. That's the Borgata and the MGM Tower behind me. We're about halfway there. There's a really sweet smell in the air. I think it's honeysuckle. Just words of caution, if you have allergies, now is not the good time of the year to do a walk like this. But in the summertime, I'm sure you'll be fine. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. Just so you guys get your bearings, we're closing in on the Borgata and MGM Tower, which is right behind me. In between, you can see the Golden Nugget, and over there is Harrah's. And there you have it, guys. I'm at the end of the Sculptures Walk. I looked at my watch, exactly 45 minutes. I'm at the back of the Borgata. We started off at the Golden Nugget deck bar. We passed Harrah's and we ended up here. 45 minutes exactly. I do walk quickly, but then again, I stopped and did a lot of yapping along the way as well. So I'm gonna say for the average person, about 45 minutes. Also, as with any long walk, remember, you have to walk back. So you just have to double that. I don't know the exact mileage. I'll look it up and probably drop that information in during the editing of this video. If you are disabled or handicapped, if you're in a wheelchair or a scooter, everything is level here. You can pretty much access the entire walk. However, if you're walking and you have a walking disability or something like that, I don't recommend you doing the entire walk. Remember, you have to walk back as well. It is kind of long, but like I said, if you're on wheels, you got it made. I hope you guys enjoyed the walk, and I encourage you to come down here and do it yourself. And don't forget, stop in the casino too and drop some coin. In any event, hope you guys enjoyed the walk with me. I'm going to head back to the Golden Nugget, pick up my car, head back to the boardwalk, and do some more videos over there. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it, guys. By the way, if you made it this far into the video, just a word of caution, watch out for geese poop. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.